What's up you guys and welcome back to my channel. There is no other way to start this video. Guys, I'm getting married! Did you buy that? If you did, gotcha! Today I'm going to be pranking my sister and telling her that I want to get married. Now I'm hoping she would be really shocked to hear this because we've never really discussed about me wanting to get married or anything. So she should be taken back by this, and I personally feel that marriage is not in my picture right now because I personally want to be earning well enough for myself, stand up on my own two feet and be an independent woman before I get married. And she knows this, my sister knows this, because I've been telling her all these things my entire life. So she has an idea about it. So she's going to be really shocked when I go and tell her that I want to get married out of nowhere. So she's my cousin sister. She's like 10 years elder to me, and I'm sure we all have this one figure in our life with whom we share all these scandalous things that we can't possibly share with our parents. So she's that figure in my life, and I share almost everything with her, and she has been really kind to me and given me some really good advices and helped me a lot throughout my life. So I feel a little bit bad pranking her, but not really, because I really want to see her reaction, dude. So you know the drill. I'm going to be calling her and telling her that I want to get married and stuff, and I'll be putting the phone on speaker so you guys can hear what she's saying. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay guys, ready? Let's go. Nothing is happening.
Hello?
Hello, दीदी.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. काय करते हैं?
Fine, I just finished up little work. You tell me how's it going with you?
It's going good, yeah. This lockdown is getting to me, honestly.
Well, the feeling is mutual.
काय करत होती?
काही नाही ग, बसलेली अशीच. आता सगळं काम आटपून आली.
अच्छा, listen, I wanted to talk to you about something. So, like, are you alone?
Yes, I am. I mean, you're sounding as if this thing is really serious and all that.
Yeah, it is actually serious. So, मावशी वगैरे नाही आहे ना आजूबाजू कुठे?
नाही. बोल ना.
Okay, see, don't be shocked, okay? I'm just going to say it.
Okay.
I think I should be getting married.
Huh? What?
Yeah.
You're creeping me out here. What?
Yeah, you heard me.
You said that you want to get married.
Yeah.
And why do you think so?
Because I just think that I'm ready for it, you know, like my mind is set on it. I'm ready for it mentally, physically, everything. So like I think that I should just get married.
What do you mean by mentally and physically?
Like, you know.
This is like really funny.
Okay, it's not that funny to me. So yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And
You
what?
want to get married? Oh my god. So do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend. I'll just tell Mama, Papa to find some guy for me. I mean, yeah.
Wait a minute. You don't have a boyfriend. You don't have a guy in your life, and you want to get married.
Yeah. So what?
I mean, just you really know what you're talking about. I mean, what stuff are you taking these days?
I'm not taking anything. I mean, come on. That's how you met Jiju, right? Maushi and Kaka found him for you.
Yeah, dude. But I was 30, and you're just 22.
So
There's a vast difference.
22 is not that young, you know. I'm legally in a age to get married, and I feel as if I'm ready. So I think I should just go for it.
You are ready, okay? So,
Yeah.
what you are ready for? I mean, apart from being physical, what you are ready for?
No, honestly, I'm very serious about it. Like I feel as if I'm ready to be a responsible person. I can take a ton of responsibilities in my life now. So I think marriage is a good option. It's like stepping up in life, you know. What?
I'm really sorry to interrupt, but I'm actually rolling on the floor laughing.
What?
You know,
Do you really think this is funny?
You just said that you have started being responsible I mean, what do you mean by responsible? Do you even know the spelling of responsible?
Yeah, I know how responsible is spelled, but
And how are you responsible, and what responsibility are you ready to take?
all kinds of responsibility that marriage brings upon you, you know.
Okay, wait a minute. Answer my two questions, okay?
Okay.
One is, do you know how to cook?
Cooking has got nothing to do with marriage.
Oh, okay. Cooking has nothing to do with marriage.
No. Why? I mean,
And
I can always keep a help, you know. The maid can cook for me and my husband, so that's not a problem.
अच्छा. And what if the maid doesn't come? And तुझे पता है एक बात, you know, महीने में उनका 5-6 बार छुट्टी रहता है. ये गाँव को जाती है, उधर जाती है, तो क्या खिलाने वाली है तेरे पति देव को? मैगी?
No, no, not Maggie. तो तभी we can order it, ना? ऐसे कुछ नहीं.
Oh yeah, Swiggy, Zomato, जिंदाबाद.
Yeah.
अच्छा. दूसरा क्वेश्चन. लादी पोछा आता है?
हाँ, लादी पोछा तो कर दूंगी यार. Dude, come on, you're pressurizing me now. I really called
No,
you
I
to.
pity on your to-be husband. You know, that's the reason I'm asking you this question. अरे लादी पोछा आता है मतलब उसको ट्रेन नहीं करना है करने के लिए. इधर से पोछा करे, इधर से पोछा करे, इधर से वो कर. You know, because I know how you are, okay?
What? I told you I'll be a really responsible person.
I mean, that is making me more, you know, actually I'm just, I don't know, I'm becoming expressionless now. I don't know how, I don't know what to say right now. I'm off words, okay? Because the first question which you asked me, like, you want to get married, that only creeps me out, like, so badly.
Like, I mean, see, I got nothing to lose. I know I have to study and all, but that all I can still do after getting married, right?
हाँ, वो तो study and all तो part time job है ना अपना, वो तो कर लेंगे, लेकिन शादी पहले करने का, how sweet. My sisters become so responsible, my God.
I will become responsible. See, people transform after they get married, right? So I don't think that's
how? Like how?
like how you did.
I mean, hello, excuse me.
Yeah.
Not even supper. I knew how to cook, okay? So that was one. मेरे पास कोई option नहीं था because I turned 30 and my parents were like pressurizing me to get married. Okay. Luckily तेरा जीजू मिल गया मुझे किधर से, तो इसके लिए मैंने शादी किया.
Yeah, so see, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि just because I'm 22 I won't find a guy. I'm sure my parents will find a good guy for me. I just want your support.
Parents से आ गया. Have you told your parents about it?
No, I was thinking maybe you could talk to mama about it.
Oh, hello. Please give me a place. I am not going to talk to anyone because the questions they are going to ask me, I'm sure that I won't have any answers to them. Okay. So, hello. No.
Arey, but okay, but can I at least when I tell them, see, I'm planning on telling them tonight. So I was thinking that maybe I could tell them that I spoke to you about it and you were fine with it.
You're asking me as if I'm the groom and I'm fine with it. चलो मैं ठीक हूँ तो मेरा हाँ है तो मैं कल मेरे parents को लेके आती हूँ. What? You don't have a guy in your life. You don't have a boyfriend. Okay, and you want to get married. That is like so funny, and you're saying not to laugh on this.
Like, why not? I'm telling you, my parents will find a good guy for me.
Of course they will. I mean, but at the age of 22, you just got graduated, dude.
So you don't think this is a good idea?
What?
You don't think this is a good idea?
Good idea? I mean, yeah, it's a pathetic one. Trust me.
Oh my God, dude.
I mean, why do you want to lose your freedom, dude? I mean, you are saying this freedom. क्यों जाना है तुझे शादी के इसमें? चुपचाप खेल मस्ती करना.
It's not about freedom. I just feel that I'm ready for it. You know, you feel it from within. कि yeah, I'm ready for this. That's
I
how
want to know that you're feeling it from within. Basically, तेरा हार्मोन बाहर करना है. शादी में बहुत सारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आते हैं. सिर्फ हार्मोनल अप्स एंड डाउन्स नहीं होते हैं.
Okay. So ठीक है, मी मम्मा बाबांशी बोलून बघते आज रात्री. I can at least talk to them about this, right?
Yeah, you can. I mean, all the best to them, obviously.
Okay, so maybe I'll just call you tomorrow morning and then tell you how it went. Or probably मम्माच तुला phone करेल. I don't know.
Why? Why are you doing this to me? I mean, is it the thing that, you know, this quarantine is making you crazy or something?
No. Wanting to get married is a crazy thought. I don't think so.
I think you get married, but why is your mother gonna call me up?
Because I'm going to tell her that I spoke to you about it.
But why? Why do you want to do that? क्या तुला काय मजा येते का? तुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कोई चप्पल से मारेगा मुझे शादी के बाद?
कुछ नहीं तो मतलब हो सकता है ना शादी, like there is a possibility ना कि my parents might agree to it.
Oh yes, they will. After abusing me.
No, they won't do. They would never do that.
Oh yes, of course, I know that. They're very lovely.
Okay, fine. All right, then I'll just call you tomorrow morning, maybe.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Morning, alright, fine.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. See you. Yeah.
And listen, don't tell anybody about this, huh? Not Jiju, not Maushi, no one.
Hey, not Jiju. This is not done. यार मेरा पेट बहुत दुखेगा फिर रात को if I don't tell him.
Okay, but still don't tell him.
You're a bad sister, man.
I'm a great sister. Now you also be a great sister to me by keeping your sister's secret to yourself and not sharing it with your husband.
Oh yeah, fine.
Okay, chal, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my god, guys, she's completely freaked out. She's just like, no, don't take my name into this. Don't drag me into this. You can do whatever the hell you want. I'm not in this. Okay, she's really scared. But I think she believed me. I don't know what's going to happen now. I'll just call her up in like 10 minutes and tell her that it was a prank. I just wanted to see how she reacts, and obviously I was hoping her to react in this way. Like, I'd be really surprised if she would have supported me into this, because like I mentioned earlier, there are certain terms that I have set with myself and before getting married, and I had discussed them with her, so she knows about it. And as a person, I'm not very responsible as yet, so she also knows about that. So she obviously knows that I'm not ready for a marriage, because that's a very huge commitment. So she was just talking me out of it. So I think I'm just going to call her in 10 minutes and tell her that it was a prank. She's going to hate me.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm just calling her and telling her that it was a prank. Let's go. No, she's not going to take my call now.
Hello.
Hello, Didi.
Now what?
What do you mean now what? Acha, listen, it was a prank.
Fuck off, man. This was a very bad prank, by the way.
You bought it?
What?
Did you buy it? Did you actually thought that I wanted to get married?
I mean, it's you. Obviously, I bought that prank, man.
Oh my god. I'm sorry.
Anything. Trust me.
I'm so sorry.
You're so bad.
Come on, it's okay.
I mean, this is not done. I was already planning of what to wear and all that.
Really? Okay, so you were in on it, but you didn't want it, your name to get into it, like dragged into it.
I किसी के साथ भी शादी करा. I just want to look good. That's it.
Okay, it's fine. Come on, I'm your little sister. मेरा हक बनता है ये सब करना.
Oh yes. You meet me after this quarantine. I'll show you क्या हक था मेरा.
Okay, ठीक है. चल, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, now I can tell my hubby.
What?
Now I can tell my husband, no?
Yeah, now you can tell him.
Oh, okay, fine. Chalo.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh, that's my sister. For 5 minutes, she can't keep it to herself. She was so eager to share it with my Jiju. That's what happens when you get married, guys. That's your lesson. I'm kidding. Don't take that seriously. You can obviously get married whenever you feel is the right time for you. Like I mentioned before, I am not ready for it practically. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for it. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is gunjan.sargaokar. So do follow me there and turn on the little bell notification so that you can get updated every single time I upload a video. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Until then, bye bye.